First impressions are essential in the job search, and a well-written cover letter helps you to make a good first impression with hiring managers. Within just a couple of minutes, our cover letter generator will help you create a customized, professionally formatted cover letter explaining exactly how your skills and achievements make you the best person for the job. Our cover letter tools are easy to use and will save you hours of time in your job search. On the resume page in the My Files section, you'll find our cover letter tools. Clicking Add allows you to use our cover letter generator, add your own cover letter, or hire a professional cover letter writer. Let's build a cover letter with the cover letter generator. To start, answer some questions, add your top 3 skills, add 3 achievements, and click Continue. After the cover letter is generated, you can now change the formatting using the toolbar at the top of the screen. Notice all of the information you entered on the previous screen is automatically incorporated into the cover letter. You'll see brackets around the information that needs to be changed before you send out this cover letter. The final step is reviewing for spelling, grammar, and punctuation. Once you're done editing, be sure to save your cover letter with your name and the name of the company, and click Save Changes. The cover letter is now in the My Files section, where you can view, edit, download, or delete it. You can also create or paste a cover letter you already have. Click Type Paste, copy the cover letter, give it a name, and click Save Changes. That cover letter will also appear in the My Files section, where you can view, edit, download, or delete it. If you want something a bit more customized, iHire offers professional writing services, and premium members receive a discount on all writing services. For additional tips on writing cover letters, be sure to visit our Resource Center. Having your cover letters all in one place helps to speed up the job application process and will improve your chances of getting hired faster. If you need more help, you can always schedule a call with one of our resume analysts or take advantage of your iHire Premium membership and schedule a call with your career advisor today.